Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Nerds, where we make tech simple and fun. In today's video, we're talking about something super important in database design, which is database models. Let's break it down. So what is a database model? A database model is like a plan or structure that shows how data is organized, stored, and connected inside a database. It acts as a framework that helps decide how data is saved, how it is organized, or how it links with other data. Different models equals to different ways to build it. Let's go over the four most common types of database models. The first is hierarchical model. Second is network model. The third is relational model. And the fourth is object-oriented model. Let's discuss these models in detail. First is the hierarchical model. Data is organized in a tree-like structure. It is fast and simple from one-to-many relationships. Each child has only one parent, but a parent can have multiple children. Think of it like folders and subfolders on your computer. Then we have an example of an organization structure. Each employee belongs to one manager, and each manager belongs to one CEO. So this is an example of this model. Here we have an image of how this model basically looks. As you can see, level 1 are the parents, and each parent can have multiple child, but those children have only one parent. They don't have multiple parents. Next we have network model. A network model is similar to the hierarchical model but more flexible. It supports many-to-many relationships. A child can have multiple parents and data is organized as a graph. Let's try to understand this image. Over here we can see that employee 1, employee 2 and employee 3 are parents, and project A and project B are the children. But we can also see that project A is linked to parent 1 and parent 2 as well as parent 3, and project B is also linked to parent 1 and parent 3. So this clearly shows that a child can have multiple parents. Previously, in the previous model that we saw, the child only had one parent, but the parent had multiple child. Here the child can have multiple parents as well. Here we have a real life example of a college system. Students enrolled in multiple courses. Each course is taught by multiple instructors. So one student can have many courses, and one course can have many students and instructors. Next is the most common model, called the relational model. Data is stored in tables, also called relations, and tables have rows or records and columns or fields. It uses primary keys and foreign keys to create relationships. It is based on mathematical relations, and it uses SQL to manage data. It is used in MySQL, Oracle, etc. If you look closer to this image, you can see that how these tables are connected and related to each other using keys that help link related data across the tables. This is what a relational model basically looks like. Next we have object-oriented model. Data is stored in the form of objects, just like in object-oriented programming. Each object has attributes or data and methods and functions. It allows inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. It combines data and methods together. It is ideal for complex applications and multimedia data that involve complex data types like graphics, games, and simulations. We have some examples like database 4.0 and object database. Okay, so in this image we can see that this table has transport as an attribute, and getSpeed and getFair is basically the method. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to Tech Nerds for more tech made easy. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.